Hey, so we're back. We'll start again the computer. So what I've done, I just unplugged the SATA on the 2 drive I installed from connected to the PCI card. So let's start again. So you just need to unplug the red wire. So right now it doesn't read any RAID. And the drive is booting. So as you can see, just by removing the wire on the drive from the PCI card and the SATA, you can install the Freenas. So don't panic if that happens. Sometimes the BIOS of your computer, because it's so old, it doesn't want to recognize the boot. There you go. So we're at the installation page. So as you can see, it's 9.2.1.8. So what I will do, I will install and upgrade. So the first one. And just to be sure, the drive linked to Freenas, it's called ADA0. It's my primary. For my part, it's the Mac Store, so the 60 gig I install the IDE drive. If you are USB, the USB will appear in your selection. So you just choose your USB drive, and be careful, it should be for that a USB drive higher than 2 gig. So I tried on 1 gig and it didn't work, so I just read a little more on the freenas.org, and you need a 2 gig USB drive. So this will erase everything. So you say, yes, because my drive is empty, I have nothing, it will be used only for that. So he's doing a sanity check. And also, one thing before to do that, you need to connect your Ethernet connection, because at the end it will the software will connect or configure an IP address. So the Freenas installation on the drive, the my 60 gig Mac Store, called ADA0 for Freenas, it succeeded. So he asked me to remove this CD-ROM and reboot, so we'll do that. One thing we need to do when we're doing that is to connect back our SATA drive I just unplugged before. So what I will do a shutdown. So it will take a couple of minutes to shut down, closing everything. And after that we need to plug and connect our drive back. I just connect back our drive, and I will restart the computer, but I need to be sure I'm removing the CD-ROM from the drive, because it will reboot on it. So make sure you remove it. So you will see the RAID appear. My 2 drive is back. And right now he's booting on the Freenas. So So it will take a few minutes to load everything. So when you see that, that means it's almost done. He's trying to configure some address. Here we go. So as you can see on the bottom right there, you have your address on your network. So right now my computer is set up with Freenas server, so I can have access to this one everywhere in a house or your company, who knows. So let's move on to the other computer so we can configure and connect to this computer through the web interface.